how to view all connection requests in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can view all of your connection requests in Roblox. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Roblox application by tapping on to the application icon, and once your Roblox account has been successfully logged in, you will see this option of connections. So simply click onto this connections, and from here you can see all of your current connections. And in order to see the requests, click onto this option or this button at the top right, and from here you will see all of the pending connection requests that you have for your account. So as you can see, I have these 5 connection requests pending in my account. So that's how easily you can see the connection requests in Roblox. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.